looking to shed some pounds? The coffee method claims it can help. But is it the real deal or just another scheme? We did the research so you don't have to. Let's find out. The coffee method is a weight loss approach that combines drinking coffee specific ingredients like cinnamon, lemon, cayenne pepper. It's said to boost metabolism, curb appetite, and help with fat burning. But with so many weight loss trends out there, how do you know if this one is legit? There are different types of coffee which are used for weight loss. First one is cinnamon black coffee, which is one of the best fat burning coffee recipes. It stands out for its simplicity and metabolic benefits. This healthy coffee drink is not easy to prepare, but also an excellent addition to your weight loss arsenal. The benefits are that cinnamon can increase thermogenesis, helping your body burn calories more effectively. It improves insulin sensitivity, and cinnamon helps manage blood sugar level. The second one is mint and ginger green coffee, which is used or which benefit is that it's known for its soothing effect on digestive system. Mint aids in digestion and helps to detoxify the body. It aids a refreshing flavor while promoting a calm stomach. While ginger is powerhouse ingredient enhances digestion by stimulating gastric function. The third one is dark chocolate coffee, which is an innovative addition to the realm of best fat burning coffee recipes. Dark chocolate, renowned for its health benefits, play a pivotal role in this recipe. Its consumption can enhance the satiety, making you feel fuller longer and potentially reducing calorie intake throughout the day. Fourth one is lemon coffee, which enhance your coffee experience with health boosting ingredients can amplify its fat burning potential. Lemon coffee is not only simple to prepare but also packs a punch when it comes to aiding weight loss. The citrusy kick from lemon has been shown to boost metabolism and activate fat burning hormones, making it an excellent addition to healthy coffee drinks aimed at weight control. The last one is bulletproof coffee, which is one of the best health coffee drinks out there, especially for those looking to boost their energy levels during workout. This fat burning recipe combines high quality fats with coffee to provide long lasting energy and improve mental clarity. Incorporating healthy coffee drinks into your daily routine can be delicious and effective way to support weight loss journey. To maximize the benefits of these fat burning coffee, it's essential to pair them with a well balanced diet rich in the nutrients. Why? Fat burning coffee recipes can enhance the metabolism. They should be a part of broader dietary strategy, but prioritize whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These provide essential nutrients that support overall health and complementary weight loss. What are the red flags of coffee method for weight loss? The coffee method for weight loss, where black coffee is consumed with limited meals, can have red flags. Excessive caffeine intake, sleep disturbance, and potential for digestive issues are concerned. High caffeine consumption can lead to anxiety, jitter, and sleep disruptions. Caffeine can interfere with sleep, especially when consumed late in the day, which is crucial for overall health and weight loss efforts. Relying heavily on coffee for energy or appetite suppression can lead to dependence and withdrawal symptoms. Slaves may experience heartburn, acid reflux, or bloating from coffee consumption, which can be uncomfortable and counterproductive to weight loss. Skipping meals or limited food intake to solely coffee can lead to lack of essential nutrients. Now, what the real customer says about this coffee method for weight loss, let's see it. The coffee is not a magic weight loss position. For lasting results, focus on a balanced diet and exercise. Thinking about trying a coffee diet? Talk to your doctor first, especially if you have health concerns or caffeine jitters. The coffee method is not a magic bullet for weight loss. While it may offer some benefits due to the properties of caffeine, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectation. Incorporate into healthy diet and active lifestyles for the best result. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine.